everyone. I am an NSS volunteer from Carmel Convent School, Chandigarh. So, as we all know, that three new criminal laws have been implemented starting from the 1st of July 2024. So, in this video, I'll be discussing in brief about these criminal laws and some important facts related to this. The three new laws, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita (BNS), Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita (BNSS), and Bharatiya Sakshya Abhiniyam (BSA), will replace the British-era IPC, Criminal Procedure Code, and the Indian Evidence Act, respectively. From the 1st of July 2024, all FIRs will be registered under the BNS, but cases filed before the date of implementation will be tried under the earlier sections of IPC, CRPC, and Evidence Act. BNS, that is the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. 511 sections of the IPC, Indian Penal Code, will now be replaced by merely 358 sections of the BNS. 21 new crimes besides those mentioned in the IPC have been added in BNS. The duration of imprisonment has extended for 41 crimes, and the fines have increased in 82 crimes. Minimum punishment has been introduced for 25 crimes. Community service has also been introduced as penalty in 6 crimes. 19 sections of the Indian Penal Code have been excluded from the BNS. Fun fact: the first FIR under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita was registered at Kamla Market Police Station in Delhi. Bharatiya Nyaya Suraksha Sanhita (BNSS). The BNSS is set to replace the CRPC, that is, the Code of Criminal Procedure. 531 sections of the BNSS shall replace 484 sections of the CRPC. Changes have been introduced in 177 sections and 39 subsections of the BNSS. 14 sections of the CRPC have been excluded from the BNSS. The BSA, that is the Bharatiya Sakshya Abhiniyam. The 166 sections of the Indian Evidence Act shall be replaced by the 170 sections of the BSA. There have been alterations in 24 sections of the BSA and 2 new subsections have been added. 6 sections of the Indian Evidence Act have been excluded from the BSA. The main focus of the new laws will be to deliver justice while safeguarding the rights of the victims as well as the accused rather than on punishment. The colonial mindset apparent behind ordering of the IPC sections with those dealing with Rajdroh, that is treason, preceding ones related to serious offences like murder and rape, was being done away with. The new laws prioritize investigation for offences against women and children, ensuring timely completion within 2 months of recording information. Victims shall be entitled to updates on the progress of their case within 90 days. The court may now grant a maximum of 2 adjournments to avoid unnecessary delays in court hearings. So this was some information regarding the 3 new criminal laws. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.